Okay, so we are in our East Hall sample course, and I'm going to go to modules and create an assignment. We're going to create a new assignment, and we will call this reading passage. All right, so I'm going to go to my assignment that I created and edit this. And I'm going to embed a class starter slide just to remind the students of what they're doing, or a daily agenda first. So I'm going to go to this extension cord here, click on it, and go to Google Apps. So once I click on Google Apps, I can go to my class starters or daily agendas, and then click embed. So I want this at the top of my assignment so that students are reminded of what they should be doing. And then down below, I'm going to put in the reading passage that I want them to read. I don't want them to annotate or anything like that. I just want them to read it, and then they're going to submit a response back to me. So let's see. I'm going to just choose a passage. That I want them to read, and then it will generate down below my class starter or daily agenda. So again, this is just for students to view. They cannot edit these things. They are only viewing these, and then you can give it an assignment, a point value, and then for submission, I'll put online text entry because I want them to respond back to questions. And then I'm going to hit save. If you're ready for students to see it, you can hit save and publish. So that would be embedding Google items into an assignment. You can also do this with a page. So again, this is just for students to view. They're not actually typing on or submitting these Google Docs back to you. So now let's look at a different way to integrate Google Drive items into an assignment or page. So again, I'm going to go to my module, create an assignment, and we'll call this graphic organizer. We will edit the assignment. And in the text editor, you can type the instructions, or if you have the instructions on your Google Doc or Google Slide, you don't have to type anything there. Give it a point value. And then here is where it is different. So for submission type, we are going to choose external tool, and then we will hit find. So when you scroll down to Google, you will see Google Docs Cloud Assignment or Google Assignment. So Google Docs Cloud Assignment is what we have done in the past. If you did this last year, so this is where you can choose an external tool. The students can type on the Google Doc and then submit it back to you. But Google Assignments is new and improved and a little better. So that's what we're going to choose, is Google Assignments. It will ask you to choose your account, then click continue. And then right here is where you will choose the assignment. So we're going to click on attach, and I'm going to choose a graphic organizer. Okay, let's just choose this one. All right, and then we will click create. So this is a way for students to type on this Google Doc within Canvas. It generates a copy for them in their Google Drive and automatically names it, and then they can submit it back to you in Canvas. And John is going to show you the student side of things in just a minute. So we're going to click save and publish because we're ready for students to see it.